Hello everyone. Today we are in the 10th session of marketing management. In this session we will discuss about branding, packaging and labeling. So let's move ahead. Branding. As we know certain key terms about the brand, that a brand is an identifying name, term, design, or a symbol. One item, family of item, all items are the seller, like Corvette, Chevrolet, General Motors. What we understand about the brand name, the part of the brand that can be spoken, that is called the brand name, that we need to understand very critically. The brand and brand name always helps organization to promote better manner. The brand name can include word, letter, number like Union 76, NBA, 49ers, etc. This we need to understand the brand now. Brand mark. The part of the brand not made up of the word is called brand mark. Like symbols or design, Nike shoes, Mercedes star, McDonald's arches, etc. These are the brand mark. Then branding terms need to be understand that Coupa Joy trademark is there. Trademark is a legal designation of the exclusive use of the brand, like Coca-Cola, Hewlett Packard, trade name, that is the full legal name of the organization, how they are going to be known. American Telephone and Telegraph Corporation, AT&T. AT&T is very famous, but nobody knows, or even very few people knows their full name. What is the value of the branding? How we are going to incur, how we are going to take advantage for the value. If we talk about the consumers, it helps speed consumer purchase and identifying specific preferred product. If we talk about the consumers, it provides a form of the self-expression and the status. It provides evaluates product quality to reduce the risk. If we continue with the brand value for the marketers, that means identify and differences forms product that competing products. It helps always in the introduction of the new product, facilitates the promotion of the all some brand products. It fosters the development of brand loyalty. It can create value in tangible assets. Here are some categories. Has brand name help in the market achieving market share? That Silkweb having 80%, Gender Mills had continued with the 12% and other continued with the 8%. This is the so brand name helps. Then terms about the brand loyalty. A customer favorable attitude toward a specific brand is called brand loyalty. When we talk about the brand recognition, a customer awareness that a brand exists and it is alternative purchase, that is called brand recognition, that we are recognizing those brands. Then brand loyalty. Key terms again. Brand preferences is the degree of brand loyalty in which the customer prefers one brand over the competitive offerings. Brand insistence, the degree of brand loyalty in which a customer strongly prefer a specific brand and will accept no substitute. If the brand is not there, will not purchase. How has the loyalty toward the well-known brand that changed over the last quarter of the 20th century, that we need to understand with these dimensions? 20 to 29, 30 to 39, 40 to 49, 70 to 79. These are the different years which in which we have seen the various brands situations. Elements of the brand equity, brand loyalty, brand association, perceived brand quality, and brand name awareness. That are the key elements of any brand loyalty. Now, how it is going to put a cost? There are certain companies name Alphia Communication, ANC Ranchel, Inor, PSINet, TWA, those who have incurred a kind of bankruptcy and they have due about their millions of rupees, 30 millions rupees due, 25 million due over 10 years, $100 million over 30 years, $105 million over 10 years. So their brand name is getting gradually deteriorating. They are not able to retrieve those brand. Then types of the brand that we need to understand. Manufacturer brand is there, that initiated by the producers. Then we have private distributor brand, that will be initiated by the own or the resellers, like dealer brand, private brand, store brand, etc. that can be utilized. Then generic brand, which can be indicating through the product categories. Every individual generic having different types. Then we need to be effective packaging must be offered, because sometime it happens effective packaging can attract millions of the customer. More and more attraction comes with the packaging. It involves the development of the container and graphic design for a product. So effective packaging should be there. Packaging functions we need to perform that, so that the product get protected from the damage. The product should not be damaged while distribution, while delivery. Offer convenience consumers, prevent waste and storage easier, promote the product by communicating its feature, use, benefit, and the product image so that it will be easy to understand. The major packaging considerations too, which is required to be understand. They are cost of packaging, limited consumer willingness to pay by the better packaging. So we need to take care about the packaging also. Temper resistant packaging, so that inside the packaging product is safe. Under FDA regulation and consumer safety concerns should be maintained, because if it will be not be there, then the product will get damaged, or it will not be accepted by the customer sometimes. Then family packaging, similar packaging for all of a firm's product, but or packaging that has one common design elements that can be attracted. Major packaging considerations we need to understand about. Emotional role, informing the consumers, verbal and non-verbal symbols that must be accompanied with the package. Size, shape, texture, color, and graphics should be utilized. Resellers need, so that transportation, storage, and handling could be identified. Environmentally responsible features, so that better and improved biodegradable and the recyclable is available or not. There are also certain criticism of the packaging, like lack of functionality, like it may happen leak, difficult to open, closed sale, hard to use design, safety aspect, sharp edge, broken glass, health hazardous. So everything is uh, possible. So we need to take care the criticism too. Deceptive product, whether it is shape, size, color, mask true nature of the product, cost of the product, that what customer prefer is the costly. Debate issues. Should fast food restaurant use environmentally responsible packaging, even when such packaging is less effective in preserving the product quality? It is a kind of debatable issues. We will have another session to discuss the debate with some group of scholars. Then we need to understand about the labeling, how we are going to label a product. It provides identifying promotional, legal, or other information on package label. That UPC, Universal Product Code. This code is called UPC, and this is one of the barcode which can be scanned and get all the information regarding the product. So it must be utilized. A series of electronic readable lines identifying, that is useful to get information very easily, very comfortably. Then the purpose of the label, it helps identifying the product. It displays the brand name, unique graphics. If it is there, that graphics could be utilized on those. Support promotional effort for the product. We can provide coupon, discount, product feature. We can provide legally required labeling information, Fair Packaging and Labeling Act under Section 1966, Nutrition Labeling Act of the 1990 Act. that we can utilize labeling. The purpose of labeling should be continued, like green labeling issue, packaging has many recyclable or redegradable materials, provide information on the product origin that could be identified, that could be known to us. Accordingly, we should move ahead that the product is information should be catered that the product is manufactured by which country, which is the organization concerned about the fraudulent labeling. That is also we need to be understand is we are not copying others and we are the unique. Thank you very much. By this, we are able to finish our 10th session today. If you have any query, must feel free to write in our comment box so that your query must be answered. Or if you want to like, share, or subscribe, you will be most welcomed. If you have any question, you can write in the chat box or comment box. If it is not there, also suggest how we can